guys, thanks for joining my channel today. So I'm just going to do a Valentine's makeup look. Right now I'm putting on my Maybelline Super Conceal Concealer onto my eyes just to give me a nice even eyeshadow look and so that eyeshadow pigment does not get in the creases. You're going to want to start with a light pink color. You don't want to do the darkest tone that you have first because it'll make it hard to blend and it just won't look very nice. So you need transition colors, meaning starting off light and then gradually getting darker with your eyeshadow. So I'm just doing a light pink and then I'll move into a medium and then the darkest color that I'm wanting. And you're just going to want to blend like crazy. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease, so I'm just putting the same Maybelline Super Conceal on my eyelid just to bring out the color that I'm going to put on top of it, which is going to be a bronzy glitter. And it is NYX brand. It's loose powder, super pretty. Now I'm going to turn it into more of an ombre. I'm going to add the eyeshadow on the edge of my eye and I'm going to blend it with the glitter just to create a super pretty ombre look. And I'm going to add a little bit of black as well to add some dimension so it's not such a flat color. Next I'm going to do my eyeliner and I'll put on falsy lashes, but I'll do that off camera. Just so you don't have to watch me struggle and poke my eye. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Ivory toned foundation. I'm going to do double layer just because my face decided to break out. I need a little extra coverage today. You can use a beauty blender or a brush to blend it. I do both. I do a beauty blender first, and then if I do another layer, I just use the brush. After you get the first layer on, you're going to want to let it dry. If you put it on right away, your foundation will look super cakey because the layer won't be able to soak in before you put on the second. So it's all just going to blend all into each other and it's going to look super messy and uneven and it just won't be good. So just let it dry and then apply your second layer. You're going to want to use the stippling motion with the brush just so that you're moving the makeup pigment into your skin. You're not moving it all everywhere and making it all uneven. So now I'm just going to highlight and conceal underneath my eyes with the same Super Conceal of Maybelline. Like I said, super great coverage. I'm just going to do it in the center of my face. You can go however far out towards your ear that you want. I just like to keep the brightness in the middle. And any discoloration, I use my concealer on. Afterwards, I'm just going to put translucent powder on. My face is super dry, so I don't like to keep it on just because I feel like it makes my skin look super flaky, but that's definitely just a personal preference. So I'm going to put it on and then swipe it right off. Next, I'm going to put on some bronzer and some blush. I don't like too much blush just because I don't want rosy cheeks. So I'm definitely just going to use more brown tone just to define my cheekbones a little bit. This is my idea of contour when I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like doing it all the way and full out. You can definitely see the difference though between when I have blush on and when I don't. It definitely structures your cheek a lot more. And I'm just going to blend it all the way up and into my forehead and blend it a little bit with all of the highlight so you don't look crazy. And then I'm going to go down and blend my neck with it because you don't want two tones. You want everyone to think that's your natural color, that's your skin. I get a little crazy and messy, so I like to put powder on underneath just to make it look a little bit more neat. And this is the Estee Lauder Illuminator highlighter that I'm using. It's liquid, so it moves really well and it blends into my face. My skin is super dry, so this helps a lot, make it look like it's alive, and it's a little more dewy. Then you're going to want to add the same eye color shadow to underneath your eyes just to make them pop just a little bit more. You can add black eyeliner on your waterline if you wanted. And then last, you're just going to apply your lipstick. And then there you have it. Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe.